Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Peaches the cockatiel. Peaches in surround sound. Peaches is a very smart cockatiel. She speaks. She doesn't really say words, but she spells. She will make 3 peeps for the word yes and 2 peeps for the word no. Are you ready, Peaches? Okay, that was me cheating. All right, the interview begins. Peaches, are you a real cockatiel? Peach, are you a cocker spaniel? No. How about a cockroach? Are you my little Peaches? Yes, you are. Are you my little cockapoo? She hates when I call her that. Peach, do you like music? Yeah. Who do you listen to? Hey, who's on your iPod? Peach. Who do you like? Was that cheap trick? Sorry. All right, we're done. Thank you, Peaches.
Einstein, everyone.
All right, Einstein, are you excited? All right, tell everybody your name. Oh, she's getting ready. She's got to clear her throat. Can you tell them your name?
Einstein.
Yes, Einstein. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hello.
That's nice. But be polite.
Sweetheart.
That's much better. Okay, let's start off with some animal sounds first. Can you do? Okay, got to clear your throat. Let's do a wolf. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? Good. Can you do an owl? Good, owl. How about a rooster? How about a penguin? Can you do a penguin? It's a little bitty penguin for you. How about a chimpanzee? Good job, Einstein. Can you do a pig? Sometimes they get chunky. You think they need to go on a diet? How about diet? There you go. How about some tigers from the jungle? Yeah, they growl. What about a skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Okay. Let's do some sound effects too. Spaceship. Good. Good. Spaceship with the laser. Yeah. Can you fall down? There you go. The little splat at the end. Does that hurt? Yeah. Maybe could you whisper? That's good. How about evil? Good job, Einstein. Evil. Let's sing some opera. Let's sing some opera. There you go. Can you toot? Oh. Ooh, Einstein, this is a lot of hard work. Is this a lot of hard work? Yeah, it's going to wear you out. But we're not done yet. What do you think?
No.
No, we know more. How about fiesta? All right. Go crazy for everybody. Can you go crazy? Go crazy. Woo! All right, she loves to party. So can you just get down? Let's get down. Come on. Yeah, there you go. That must wear you out. You need something to drink?
Here.
No, you don't drink beer. You drink water. That's much better. All right, so you're going to have to wait till later because I have a problem.
What's the matter?
What's the matter? Lost my dog. Can you call the dog?
Come here. Come here.
Good job, Einstein. But I don't see the dog anywhere. I don't want this to be boring. Can you be boring? Oh, yeah. Well, we all love you. We know that you're famous. Are you famous?
Superstar.
Yeah. Okay. What do you say when it's time to go?
Bye.
Bye-bye, Einstein.
Love milk, mate. Isn't milk great? Milk's marvellous. Milk's bloody lovely when you think where it comes from a cow and all that, you know. And it eats grass, and all it eats is grass, and it eats grass, and you get milk. It's marvellous. I love it, mate. Milk, bloody magic.